Clear the room now. Middle of all the forest. Ellen's forest. Lady White. The white shadow for gold. Ghost hunting dog. Tacky's on the move. Not heard here anything today. Not properly anyway. Nobody has said to me, Shane, hello. Or, hello there, can you hear me? Please talk to me. So I can send a message. But no, that's it. Bangs, cracks, and whatever. I walked about 3 miles now. Walked back. Did 18 miles yesterday. Just to do this. Which is great for me, because I like the exercise. And it might give me a purpose, do you know what I mean? I don't know. Gotta be fantastic these days to make it on YouTube. And I'm not gonna go fantastic. Phone on my trusty Sony. I haven't got night vision, but I've got some night vision goggles. So I'll do a few episodes in them at night. I'm dying to do it, yeah. But I'll be a bit paranoid to tell you the truth. Because in this woods, I don't know if they've caught him, they have caught someone. But he's been coming here, this fella. Oh, he stays in here, one of the two. But he's come in with a backpack. I'm thinking about that now, yeah, I hope I don't. They think it's me, it's not me, it shows my backpack. I haven't got a pair of see-through undies and a mask on, or a mask in it. Yeah, it's a fella here, coming here, undressing, getting into see-through boxer shorts, or undies, and putting a mask on and chasing the woman. I've not seen him here. I've seen a few suspicious guys, right? But I've not seen him. Ellen, this way. He's not listening properly now. He's running out of battery, should I say. The old ghost hunting dog. Come on, Ellie. Got ghosts to look for and to listen to. Yeah, I've been pondering on that. You know how a ghost hunting trip to somewhere or whatever, you sit down, all of you in a group, snacks and everything, and have a Ouija board in front of you if you want, or whatever, and then just be as quiet as possible. You know, have a giggle and that, but be serious, yeah, and say, hello, is there anybody from the past here who would like to say something? A message? You know what I mean? Come on, Bill. Yeah. That. Forgot what I was going to say again now. Must be all the energy in this forest from all the ghosts. Oh yeah. Like and subscribe, please. Might as well get that in there. And we'll see if anyone's interested in my bullshittery with my professional ghost hunting dog. Millen, it's a porthole. Oh my god, look at it. Dark. Are you ready? Come on, we've got to enter this portal. Here we go. Wow. Can you feel the energy? Oh, it's rushing all over me. That's the energy of the ghosts. We've got the right place here. Wow, yeah. You can just feel the energy. Did you hear it? No. What? No, did you hear that? No. What? What was it? What did it sound like? Is it an animal? Is it a ghost? Yeah, but what would mean? Maybe they're so old they can't talk properly. How much energy have you got, Ghost? Can you move that chair? Can you lift that big branch over there? Please, Ghost. Show me your power. Or just say hello. I came here yesterday. This is where they used to hang people. I'm sure this was the hangman tree. It's been cut down now, like. Yeah, it was in the time of the Druids. That's what they used to do, unfortunately, in this part of the woods. Merlin's not happy. I can't sit down today. Oh, what a bother. Can I talk about? I've got to make sure this video is an hour long, so I get the amount of likes and the amount of revenue possible. Maybe. See that tree over there? Merlin, come on. Maybe that was the hangman tree. Thought someone was walking behind me. Oh, God, Merlin. Okay, let's go. Is it the tree? Or was that the tree? I don't even know now. Could have been this one that was lying outside. You know, they do look the same, don't they? Yeah, let's pad the time out. Okay. Yeah, we'll do that bit now. Yeah, let's go down this way. Cut. Bin. Okay. He's alright. We're going back out through the other end of the porthole. It's even dug a hole in the ground. Wow, oh my God. I'm dying to say it, yeah, get me. Dude. Wow, dude. Look at this. This is mud. Wow. Which way should we go? Wow. Let's go this way. It's Gary over there in the bushes, right? Yeah, everything's sorted. Okay. Does he remember to pull that rope? Yeah, he remembers. Okay, we'll get him on the radio. What do you mean? We haven't got it on because it would disturb the REM pods and all this and that. No, keep it on all the time. Remember, when you've got a chance, just press the trigger and the REM pod goes off. Yeah, I know all that. So what do you want me to do? Leave it on? Yes, leave it on. Okay. It's all quiet. It's okay, well, get ready for Paul. Did I say Paul or Dave? I don't know. He's gonna pull that string. Am I gonna see a shadow figure? Okay, here it comes. Oh my God, it was a vape. Yeah, a modernised one, you know, a mod. Wow. Do you think the ghost picked it up and put it in front of my face? What do you think, Merlin? He's not interested. Okay. That's what these ghost hunters do. Why do they need so much equipment? And it's not cheap. You know what I mean? I'm on the cheapest thing possible. 10-year-old Sony phone at the moment. But my other camera, Sony HX500 or something. It's not night vision or anything, but I use that for my other photography. This is just seeing what YouTube does to me. Could do with a bit of communication in my life, you know what I mean? I'll see if these videos get a chance. I'm only a normal person. I'm not rich or anything. Please like and subscribe. Please. I need to reach 2 million subscribers today. Yeah. And then every day from then on. Oh my god, your subscriber account's gone down. 10 million. Oh my god. There's a debunker. He's found the string or the mask or whatever. Oh shit. What should we do? We'll do a podcast and make a load of shit about it. Because we can't lose it. I won't be able to pay for my house. My house will be gone. Oh my god, my boat. Up on my motorbikes and my horses. Oh no, shit. Put an apology out or something like that. Or beg the debunkers not to put the video out. Have they seen it? How long's it been out? Oh my god. It's only been an hour. Get it off quick before one of the debunkers find it. I can imagine how it all goes on. The ones who fake it. And then some of them who've been faking it to you lot for years actually have become debunkers now themselves. Ponder on that one. They were caught out faking, saying they were real paranormal, but they weren't. They were actually masking lines and whatever and saying it's real, and you know, people were paying for it. Then they got caught by the debunkers and they must have lost a hell of a lot of ratings. So what they go and do? Last and spare choice. Start pulling down other channels for faking. But shouldn't they do something about all them people who have paid over the years thinking they were talking to their parents, and they should give all that back. Full stop. You know, if you're doing something and you get caught, oh sorry, yeah, you've got to own up, yeah. And to stop people from always going, you're back in rip-off person, you know, give everyone's money back and all that, and they say, okay, there you go. And you might still get people who hate you for that, but it won't be as many as you would if you just basically been stealing off them. So have some decency and explain to people properly that you cannot talk to their relatives. I don't think anyone has talking to the beyond. This is another haunted location. There's a gravestone there, look. So we can read it. Yeah. Looks like a on top sort of coffin, but I don't think so. No, there's that there. So that proves someone has died in the vicinity, I suppose. I've gone into this tree. Aye. So this is the pump house. Can't get in anymore because they've blocked it all off. There's a few stones like this on it, you know, not like that, but like markers of people's animals and just little stories about people who love the place and, you know, put down memorials like they're everywhere. Fair play to them. So it must have some sort of haunty past, and it has got a haunted past, I know that. Growing up around the area, there's a haunted past. But it's just so rare to get a glimpse. You get more chance of getting a glimpse of that fella I was telling you, the one who chases women in his undies and a mask on, than seeing a full apparition dressed in the clothes that they died in. just saying hello, or going past, and you go hello, hi, before you got a chance to say hello back or it's gone. You know what I mean? There's loads of stories of that here. There's a glowing ball as well. But I hear all these things on these paranormal channels so much. Orbs, you know what I mean? We all know what an orb is. You know, it's a bit of puff or particles in the air, more reflective than others. And through that lens of your camera, it distorts it and makes it like a glowing ball sort of thing. But it's not. It's just dust. Been proven by these debunkers. You know what I mean? I believed, you know, in orbs from the younger days, you know what I mean? But now I know what it is properly and how they make them up and stuff. Like, if you were a ghost, why would you want to be an orb? You know, at the end of the day, if you pass away, how do you want to go? Do you want to go in the operating suit on, or you know, your fucking whatever they put on you, that bib and all that? Or do you want to go in your best clobber? You know what I mean? And you're hoping to talk to everybody back from there, any chance you get possible. I would. You know, if I pass away, I'd love the thought to be able to talk to the dead, you know what I mean? It's mad. But now it's just blasted all over paranormal channels, talking to them, seeing them, hearing them in every way possible. And as I said in a previous video, say if you were a ghost of this building, and say that gravestone was a door, okay? See the height from the floor. So if you were a ghost now, and you walked out of that, no, if you were a person and walked out that doorway, and you fell dead, and now you haunt that doorway, well, over time and years, the ground would build up, which it has, here now. So, as it goes up and up and up, goes over the door frame and that, well, when you walk through it, because you're a ghost, you're not going to see your feet, because your feet will be in the overgrowth. You know what I mean? If I dug the soil back away, and then the ghost goes through, I can eventually dig deep enough so I can see his feet going through. Then I'll know that that was the time and the height of the grass when he died. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's pissing down the road. I know it will be wet. Okay, here we go. Is there anybody there? Is there anybody from past life or anything would like to put a message into this black box, which I'm holding here in my hand? Please come forward and talk into this box. And in Welsh, can I say it in Welsh? Chi, dwch yma, siarad yn y box. Yn y box D. There you go, in Welsh. And they're sitting here with me now. Please speak. Oh my god. Shadow figure. Can I get any pareidolia? Can I? Ah, I seen a skull and a mouth. Let's have another go. Pareidolia. See anything? See, yeah, yeah. Fuck me up. I could see the face of mine, not then. Mad, yeah.